Okay, boys and girls, we're about to go to market on oil. So we'll just pull that over. Just going to drop in a quick order underneath the current tail candle. And then I'll explain what it is that I'm doing. So it's looking for 10 pip. It's a 10 pip scalp. Bash. Okay, so I had a good live call this morning with the guys. And inside of that, it was requested that I trade oil. Now we're looking to sell it. Need to update that just so the trade says sell, which I'll be doing in a second. But I've also been in and done a breakdown video telling them exactly what it is I'm looking at and why I'm looking at it. Okay, and that comes from, if you come here, we do replays of our calls, which is here, and it was done for this lot. Okay, so we have like a live call. So in that call, I said I wanted to sell this. Now let me just quickly update something, and then I can kind of show you. Trade is a sell. Got to bear with me because everything I do is live. Nothing's pre-recorded. It's just done in the moment. Even when I am doing a coffee with Scruff, they're in the moment as well. I just get an idea, open me gob, and away we go. You laughing at? So happy days. Right, so that's updated. Okay, so we know we're entering here or as high up as we can get, but that's just the initial order. It's just there to so I can move it around. Now you can do this in MT5, you can do it in web trade or whatever, but there's a lot of them will let you drag and drop, just like so. I'll be coming out to the hourly. So we've got the hourly. You can see that there's a big push to the downside, and it's pulling against this particular move here. So the first thing I would do is get my retracement in up to there. Okay. And this will start showing me where my entry exits are, which are here. 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 And here. Okay. So there we go. So I can see what that's all about. Drop this back down. Now what I want to do is I want to follow these candles up. Now it's in scalping territory, so we'll be relatively quick. So therefore I'll drop it into 5 minutes. Right, okay. So now I can see exactly where I'm going. The higher I can get this price up, the easier that 10 pip target becomes. Now it's 10 pips based on its ATR and based on the fact that it's a scalping criteria. So now all I need to do is just follow this price up and then let it trigger in, smash the target, job's done. Trading ain't hard, guys. Let's play it out and I'll come back to you at the end and we'll see whether it's good, bad or indifferent. Okay, little baldy locks. That was done for you. That was a scalp for this hour. Prepped, planned, little stage back, job's done. Always go with the dominant direction, which is what I was looking at this point, and then target effectively. So get myself into sort of my routine, getting the tickets out, and then there you go, 143 quid in 20 minutes, if that. Could have had more, but not greedy. I was looking to go level to level on a scalp, and that's it. Job's done. So that's pretty much completed for this morning. And that's all trading is. It's just preparation, preparation, preparation. And if you do it that way, you'll always be on the right side of a trade. Is that right?
If you say so.
All right. on the right side of a cup of coffee then.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee and he hasn't got one. Okay, see you all in the next one.